What does a Medicare supplement cost? Let's talk about the different factors that can affect the pricing. If you take a look at this chart, I have it divided in 2 periods of time. In the Medicare Supplement open enrollment period, which is a 6-month period when you first start Part B, and then any time after that 6-month period. The first factor I have listed is health. So why is that first? I want you to always remember that during the OEP, no carrier can ask you any qualifying health questions. You can go to any policy you want to. Nobody can turn you down. After the 6-month period, your health becomes an issue. They can ask qualifying health questions and they can turn you away from the policy. Now let's look at the other factors that impact the pricing. For starters, where you live has an impact. So they ask your zip code and they want to know your county. The next thing they want to know is your age. They want to know your gender. And then they also want to know what plan letter you're asking for. And obviously the reason they want to know that is some plans cover more of the gaps, the monetary gaps. And so those plans are going to have a higher monthly premium. The next thing that could impact the monthly premium is some of the plans give a household discount. They may give it if both the husband and wife are applying, or they may just give it if you're living with somebody over 60. It depends on the carrier. Now, here's where you see 2 factors that differentiate the 2 periods of time. During the OEP, they can't ask about your height and your weight, but afterwards, they can. So if somebody is overweight, there could be an upcharge, or there even could be a denial of coverage. The other factor is if you're a smoker or a non-smoker. During the OEP, they cannot ask you that question, but after the 6-month period, if you're applying for a new policy, they can ask you that. You'll start at a certain price with your supplement, but it will go up over the years. If you're interested in getting a quote to understand what the pricing could cost you in the area where you live, reach out to me in the link in my bio. Give me the information that I need, as we discussed in this video and is also listed in the form, and I'm happy to help you figure out the pricing.